Okay, just a quick update for tonight. I did some drilling and some hammering, and I got the rear shackle hanger off that used to hold the leaf spring on. So that guy's gone now. And I got looking at this thing. Kind of got the rear end in there sitting how I think it's going to work. And wouldn't you know, this bracket pretty much lines up perfect on the front mount, and it's pretty flat on the bottom. So I think I can actually reuse this hanger. I'll cut this piece off here, maybe pretty it up a little bit, and I should be able to pretty much just drill a few holes and bolt this thing right in on the front. On the back bracket, I'm gonna still have to build something, but at least that's half the work gone from getting it mounted in there.